Finding the right bird feeder can be so frustrating, right? From squirrels stealing food to feeders that break after one storm, it feels like you're wasting both your time and money. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're going over 5 bird feeders that actually work. Check the description below for links to these feeders, and let's dive in. Starting at number 5 is the Bird's Choice Suet bird feeder. And let me tell you, this feeder is simple yet effective. It holds one suet cake and even includes a tail prop for easy perching. How cool is that? Not only does it offer a great feeding experience, but it's also made from recycled poly lumber, making it environmentally friendly. Plus, it's durable enough to withstand even the harshest weather conditions, rain, snow, or shine. What really sets this feeder apart is its vinyl-coated grid and stainless steel hardware, which prevents rust and makes cleaning a total breeze. Whether you're trying to attract chickadees, nuthatches, finches, or woodpeckers, the design is perfect for bringing a variety of birds right into your yard. It's a great way to add some life and color to your outdoor space. The 8x3-inch size is compact enough to fit in most areas, but still large enough to catch the attention of birds. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The single cake capacity means you'll need to refill it more often than larger feeders, and the design doesn't come with any advanced squirrel deterrent features. So if you've got determined squirrels in your area, they might find a way in. The mounting system is also pretty basic. You'll need to supply your own pole or hook. While it's marketed as squirrel resistant, let's just say some squirrels can be pretty crafty. But for its price, this American-made feeder offers great value, especially if you're focused on attracting sweet-loving birds. At number 4, we've got the Droll Yankees YFM Yankee Wild Bird Feeder. And trust me, this one's packed with features that are sure to impress. What makes it so special? It has a weight-activated perch system that actually spins when heavier animals try to access the feeding ports. How cool is that? This means squirrels and other pests are kept at bay, allowing smaller birds like finches and even larger cardinals to feed without interruption. The powder-coated metal construction is built tough and ready to withstand the elements. And with its 5-pound seed capacity, you'll find yourself refilling it a lot less often. Plus, the wide-mouth reservoir makes filling it super easy, and the lift-off lid makes cleaning a breeze. It seriously takes the hassle out of maintaining your feeder. But let's keep it real. While the spinning mechanism is pretty genius, it does come with a few quirks. Since it's battery-powered, you'll need to replace those batteries regularly. And cold weather can definitely affect its performance. As if squirrels weren't persistent enough, some clever ones might even find a way to bypass the spinning action by hanging from above. Talk about resourceful little critters. Now, let's talk about the price. It's definitely on the higher end compared to basic feeders. So if you're just a casual birdwatcher, it might feel a little pricey. The spinning action could even startle smaller birds initially, which could keep them away. And since there are more mechanical parts, there's always the chance that something might break down over time. At number 3, we've got the homebird window bird feeder. And let me tell you, this one brings bird watching right to your window in the most captivating way. Imagine being able to watch birds up close without even leaving the house. This transparent feeder does just that with its strong suction cup mounting system. You'll get an unobstructed view of the birds feeding right from the comfort of your home. One of the best things? The removable tray design makes refilling and cleaning a total breeze, and the covered feeding area keeps seeds dry during those unexpected rain showers. Its compact size is perfect for smaller spaces, and the transparent design blends beautifully with any home exterior. But here's the thing. This feeder isn't all smooth sailing. The clear acrylic can show scratches over time, which can affect visibility. And if you live in an area with extreme temperatures, you might find yourself needing to readjust the suction cups every now and then. The tray also has a relatively small capacity, so be ready for more frequent refills compared to traditional feeders. Also, while the idea of birds feeding right outside your window is amazing, it can take some time for the birds to adjust to the close quarters. Plus, the exposed design offers limited protection from larger birds or squirrels. And during storms, the feeder might need to be taken down to prevent damage. Despite these small challenges, if you're looking for a unique and intimate birdwatching experience, the homebird window bird feeder might just be your perfect match. What do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know if this is something you'd try out. Coming in at number 2, we've got the NETVUE by Birdfy AI Smart Bird Feeder. And wow, this one is a real treat for tech enthusiasts and birdwatchers alike. This innovative feeder takes birdwatching to a whole new level with its 1080p camera that uses AI to identify over 6,000 bird species. Yes, you heard that right. Over 6,000. You'll get real-time notifications so you never miss a moment of your feathered visitors. What's even more exciting? The 1.5-liter seed capacity means fewer refills, and the IP65 weatherproof rating ensures it holds up no matter what the weather throws at it. Plus, with color night vision, you can capture stunning bird footage, even when the sun sets. And don't worry about squirrels. It's equipped with a flashlight and siren to keep them at bay. But let's talk reality for a second. These advanced features do come with a few challenges. For one, you'll need stable Wi-Fi for the camera to work properly. And depending on where your feeder is located, that can be tricky. Plus, the app requires a subscription for full functionality and cloud storage, so be prepared for that. Also, the battery life can fluctuate based on weather and usage, and some users have reported the AI misidentifying birds every now and then. The price point? Definitely higher than your standard feeder, but hey, if you're into tech and want that extra level of interaction with nature, it could be worth it. Starting off strong at number 1, we've got the Woodlink 23803 Absolute. And trust me, this one is a top contender for the best bird feeder you can get. With a massive 15-pound capacity, it combines practicality with a design that actually works, especially when it comes to keeping those pesky squirrels at bay. How? With its weight-activated perch system that closes off access to the seed whenever heavier animals try to feed. Now that's clever. The powder-coated steel construction is built to last, even through extreme weather, and it resists rust, meaning you're set for the long haul. Plus, the no-waste seed saver baffle keeps seeds where they belong, inside the feeder, not scattered all over your yard. That not only keeps things neat, but saves you money on bird feed. And with flexible mounting options, you can hang it or mount it on a pole, making it easy to place anywhere. But let's keep it real. There are a few things to consider. The large size may not be ideal for smaller spaces, and when fully loaded, it's pretty heavy, so make sure you have a sturdy place to mount it. Also, while the metal construction is super durable, it can get a little noisy when larger birds land. And occasionally, the perch system might need a slight adjustment to keep it working properly. Despite these small quirks, this American-made feeder truly shines where it counts. It keeps squirrels out, offers a large capacity for fewer refills, and is built to last. If you're looking for a reliable bird feeder that'll save you from constant squirrel battles, the Woodlink 23803 Absolute is the way to go. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips. And if you're looking for more backyard inspiration, be sure to check out our video on creating the perfect outdoor sanctuary.